Welcome to 4411 Foxtail Lane, the house right behind me. It's a townhouse. We got this property from a jiu-jitsu person that I do jiu-jitsu with. Awesome referral, and we're doing a fix and flip together. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm estimating my repairs for a townhouse, not the typical normal estimation that I normally do on regular single family homes, but the process is relatively the same. I'm gonna walk you guys how I do it for this, and then how much money we're gonna put into the property, and then what we plan on doing, and then what we think about the final valuation for this particular property. So my process is relatively the same. I'm looking on the outside of the property, and then I'm checking the windows, the doors, the siding, the roof, the gutters, the downspouts, the light fixtures, the outlets, right, and the roof. And since this property is in an HOA, the roof is being taken care of the HOA. So I'm gonna walk inside, and before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys the exterior of the house. It looks in great shape. I'm just gonna fix the light fixture, add a doorbell that's missing there, and then repair the storm door. And then I'm gonna walk through here and go into the back. So you wanna make sure that everything is the same process, because that way it'll be easy for you to go through your videos. This is locked, I think. Cool. So the backyard here, this needs a fence, right? The back of the house, from top to bottom, it looks really good here. We did get an inspection on this particular property, and we're going to clean out that dryer vent. That HVAC unit needs to be replaced, and there's a water spigot here that I think needs to be replaced too, needs to be repaired. So that's it for the outside of the property. I'm gonna go inside in the front and show you what we plan on doing. Okay guys, we are inside of the property itself after taking a look of the outside of the property. So my process is still the same. I'm taking a look on the outside, then working my way on the inside, and then I'm actually taking a look at comparables too as well before I come here to see what I need to do to get it up to that ARV price, the after repair value. So we bought this particular property for $142,500. We plan on putting about $30,000 in this particular property, making all the necessary updates based on what we see on our comparables within the local neighborhood. So we think we can sell this particular property for $225,000. We're gonna be all in roughly about $173,000, just round up. So we have about a $50,000 or so spread, but that's not our net, right? So we're probably looking at around a $35,000 to $40,000 net after we sell, put it on the market, and adjust for selling cost, and then any other holding costs that we're gonna have in this particular property. So I'm gonna walk you guys on my thought process of what we're planning on doing to this property and getting it up to that ARV value. So this is the inside of the house. We are at the living room area. I plan on putting 4 recessed lights in here, changing out all the outlets and switches to white. We plan on putting LVP flooring on the first floor all the way through the kitchen and the bathroom and the HVAC unit, including this foyer area. So let's work our way towards the bathroom here. So there's a small little bathroom in here. I don't know if I can turn the lights on here. So we have a toilet that we're gonna replace everything in this half bathroom. New toilet, new floors, most likely a new vanity. That one looks pretty beat up. New mirror, new light, and then GFCI outlet right there, and probably a new exhaust to go with it. And then in the utility room here, the hot water here looks pretty good, but we're gonna put a pan underneath that and then clean up this area right here. And this is the utility closet, so plan on cleaning that out. And then in the kitchen, dining room area, ripping the floors up, replacing the light fixtures, painting the wall, and then We're gonna refinish this particular kitchen island right here. We're gonna resurface the kitchen cabinets. We're gonna change the top row cabinets to match the shaker look on the bottom. We're going to add a new countertop, gonna add a lazy Susan in the corner. We're gonna remove all of these appliances, replace the light fixture above, and then, you know, obviously add new flooring, new outlets, make sure that they're part of code, and then working our way into the laundry room area. Let me see if I can get a switch in here real quick. Light switch. So in the laundry room area, same thing. Floors are going to be replaced, painted walls. This is the bathroom fixtures above for the shower and the tub. We're going to make sure that that's all good to go for the next homeowners. We're going to paint these shelves white, make that look nicer than what it is now, and then just clean it up. Okay. So making our way to the upstairs of the property. We're going to basically redo this carpet and then paint the handrail, replace the carpet with new, change out the filter on that and that return, and then we're going to add a smoke alarm carbon monoxide detector. Redoing all the carpet here on the second floor. Here, same thing. We're going to be painting and then adding a light fixture to make sure that we have a fan light combination here. Same with this bedroom here, same thing. Paint, carpet, and light. Also, the doors are going to be dressed up and cleaned up. And then we have the, yeah, that sounded horrible. Bathroom in here, we have subfloors. We're going to change all this out to LVP flooring. We're going to change out the shower bathtub to a new fiberglass shower, new toilet, new vanity, new mirror, new lights, new exhaust fan, and we're going to put a light above the shower with a switch. And then in the master bedroom, same thing as we do all the bedrooms, new carpet, light fixture, and then make sure all these windows are working, paint, new outlets, and then same thing in there as well. So this house is relatively small, and that's about it. So I hope you guys got a lot of value from my little walkthrough demonstration on this particular property. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos in regards to how to evaluate other single family homes. Feel free to grab the resources in the description below. Hope this helps. See you in the next one. Peace.